Olympic quiz question and answer. When were held the first Winter Olympics? Answer is 1924. What color have five intersecting rings of the Olympics flag? Answer is red, black, green, blue and yellow. Which of the following is not a part of Summer Olympics? Answer is biathlon. Which of the following is not a part of a modern Olympics anymore? Answer is softball. To whom Greeks dedicated Olympic games? Answer is Zeus. How is called a period between Olympic games? Answer is Olympiad. From what country originated Olympics? Answer is Greece. When and where were the first modern Olympic Games held? Answer is 1896. Which five countries were represented at every Olympics since its beginning? Answer is Greece, Australia, France, Great Britain and Switzerland. How many nations boycotted the 2008 Olympics in Beijing? Answer is 0. Which country hosted the 1936 Summer Olympics? Answer is Germany. Which country won the most gold medal in and at 1966 Olympics? Answer is USA. Which country hosted the 1992 Summer Olympics? Answer is Spain. Who is the first black person to win individual swimming gold? Answer is Anthony Nesty. Which discipline returned to the Summer Olympic in 1988 after 64 years of absence? Answer is tennis. Which country won the most medals in Olympics since their inception? Answer is USA. Which one of the following countries has never won a medal in Olympics? Answer is Albania. Since when a freestyle skiing is an Olympic discipline? Answer is 1992. Which the Winter Olympic has been cancelled? Answer is 1940. Which country hosted the 1972 Winter Olympics for the first time outside of Europe or North America? Answer is South Korea. Which the Hispanic athlete is the first and only one to win gold in Winter Olympics? Answer is Francisco Fernandez Ochoa. When occurred the first boycott of the Winter Olympics? Answer is 1980. Who won the medals in 5 consecutive Olympics in the same discipline as the first person in history? Answer is George Hackle. Which country won the most gold medals at the 2002 Winter Paralympics? Answer is Germany. Which country hosts the 2016 Summer Olympics? Answer is Brazil. Who officially opened the 2012 Summer Olympics? Answer is Queen Elizabeth II. Who became the most decorated athlete of all time during the 2012 Summer Olympics? Answer is Michael Phelps. Which Olympic discipline represents Jenny Thompson? Answer is swimming. Which nationality is Usain Bolt? Answer is Jamaica. Which year Vancouver hosted the Winter Olympics? Answer is 2010. In which year the IOC began enacting drug testing protocols? Answer is 1967. Who won the most medals in archery of all time? Answer is Hubert von Innis. Who won the most medals in sky jumping of all time? Answer is Matti Näkkänen. Since when snowboarding is the Winter Olympic discipline? Answer is 1998. Which of the following discipline has been discontinued? Answer is croquet. Who won the gold medal in horizontal bar at the 2000 Summer Olympics? Answer is Alexei Nemov. Which Olympic discipline represent Carl Lewis? Answer is athletics. Who is the oldest gold medalist in the history? Answer is Ole Einar Bjørndahl. Which of the following won medals in both Summer and Winter Olympics? Answer is Laurent Williams. At which Olympic a German kayaker Brigitte Fischer won her first gold medal? Answer is 1980 Moscow. Duff Gibson as the oldest gold medalist at the Winter Olympics. In which discipline he won the gold medal? Answer is skeleton. Which team won gold medals 4 consecutive times in a row since at the 2000 Summer Olympics in synchronized swimming? Answer is Russia. A winner in boxing at the 2012 Summer Olympics. He won a gold medal in 2008 Summer Olympic as well. Answer is Zhao Shiming. Which of the following discipline will return to the 2016 Summer Olympic after 112 years of absence? Answer is golf. A name of a designer of the 2012 London Summer Olympic medals. Answer is David Watkins. A name of an athlete with the most Olympic appearance. Answer is Ian Miller. How many Olympic appearances has a Danish sailor Paul Elstam? 8. Which two countries have been represented by a sailor Dord Knowles at the Olympics between 1948 to 1972 and 1988? Answer is Great Britain and Bahamas. Which year has been born an Olympic level equestrian rider Andrew Hoy? Answer is 1959. How many gold medals won a German equestrian Rainer Klimke? Answer is 6.